stream of computer science and engineering. So I have joined here in November 2023, and I have took a course on Pyspiders where I have joined for Python, SQL, web development and Django, where Python was taught by Santosh sir, where his teaching was so excellent and supportive for the students. And also I am thankful for other trainers like Reshma ma'am and Sagar sir and also Sanjay sir. And after completion of my course, I was looking for a job so that